educators. Thank you so much for all the love and support you've been giving Student Align. In today's session, we're going to talk about how you can use timer in the Bytello Class application. So, all you need to do is click on the More option. Here you have timer. Now say that you want to create a very competitive atmosphere where you have people solving the sum in less than a minute. So I'll give you a small example. Just click on your countdown. Just select, for example, 5 seconds, right? Just click on play. So that creates a very competitive atmosphere where with countdown, you can actually give this as a timer where students will be able to solve problems based on the timeline given. Thank you.